Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 52. This is all about cartilage restore and repair. So if you have any joints on your body that are aching, where the cartilage is gone, ripped, torn, or deteriorating, this is a great body geometry for you. This is going to help restore and fix cartilage anywhere in your body. The way the sacred geometry works in conjunction with the body geometry is that you want to put your focus on an area in the body to intensify the healing, but this Reflections 52 will work everywhere in the body, even where you're not putting your attention. So with that said, go ahead and take a look at the sacred geometry, and I'm going to go ahead and read the violet flame decree for repair, cartilage repair and regeneration. Just listen. I am the presence of divine healing light. I call upon the violet flame to transmute all patterns of wear, damage, and weakness within my cartilage. Violet flame blaze through every joint, every tissue, every cell. Dissolve all energy and decay, injury, and limitations. Transform and uplift these structures to their highest blueprint of health and strength. I command the regeneration of my cartilage now. Let new cells form with perfect structure, flexibility, and resilience. I accept the full restoration of my body's divine design. By divine law, it is done. Thank you, Violet Flame. Thank you, Presence of Life. How's that feel, folks? Body's already starting to tingle. Let's go ahead and get our back straight, elbows down. Go ahead and bring your hands together. So the tip of your fingers is about equal with your nose. Go ahead and create that classic V. When you create this motion, okay, you're putting the universe on notice to spin up a spiraling vortex of energy right in front of you, right in front of you. And from here, we're going to take 3 deep breaths through our mouth, exhaling through our nose. When we're breathing in the restoration. When we're breathing out, the junk is leaving. So from here, you're just going to want to roll your hands forward and pull your fingers back a little bit. Okay, just like this. We're going to take one breath in and one exhale. On the exhale, you're going to bring your hands together in two perfectly balanced fists, just like this. And it's only one motion. And from here, you can take in another few in breaths and out breaths. Put your attention on the area that needs healing, the cartilage that needs repair. On the out breath, just imagine the damaged stuff leaving. This is a great one, folks. If you're, competitive in sports, if you have an old injury that's never healed properly. I'm an avid skier during the winter, so I'm constantly abusing my body. So this one is going to be good for me. So give a like, leave a comment, let me know how this one works out for you, and just spread the love. It's all good, folks. Have a beautiful day.